Hey everyone, welcome back. So, look at where we are. We have a game loop running and we have cool assets loading in, but we have a problem. It's boring. Right now, our project isn't a game, it's just a movie. I can't click the character, I can't drag anything, and nothing responds to me. Today, we are going to fix that by mastering PixiJS events. First things first. By default, PixiJS ignores every click to save performance. If you want an object to feel your mouse or finger, you have to turn it on. In PixiJS version 7, we use a property called eventMode. You might see old tutorials using interactive equals to true. That is the old way. The new correct way is event mode equals to static. Let me show you how it works. Setting it to static basically tells Pixi, hey, this object has a hitbox. Please check if the mouse hits it. And cursor equals to pointer gives us that nice hand icon so player know they can click it. Before we write the code, let's look at the tools we have. Pixi gives us a whole list of events, but these are the 5 you will use 99% of the time. Pointer down. This fires the moment you press the button or touch the screen. This is great for instant shooting. Pointer up. This fires when you release the button. Pointer tap. This is the combination of down and up quickly. Pointer over and pointer out are for PC only. Pointer over when your mouse hovers over the object, and pointer out when your mouse leaves the object. Notice, I am saying pointer, not mouse. Always use pointer events. If you use mouse down, your game won't work on mobile phones. Pointer events work on everything. Okay, let's put these to use. We want the bunny to react when we click on it. I am going to use on function to listen for an event. Let's start with the pointer down. Let me scale the bunny and bunny alpha to 0.5. Now we will reset it on pointer up and alpha back to 1. Nice, it feels responsive now. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now let's add some polish. Again, a good game UI always highlights when you are about to click something. We use pointer over and pointer out for this. Let's use them. So here I'll use pointer out, pointer over, and then pointer out. On pointer over, I'll be changing the tint to green. And on pointer out, I'll be resetting it to white. This is huge for menu buttons. It tells user, yes, I am interactive. Okay, let's move ahead. That was easy. Now let's do something harder. Drag and drop. Dragging isn't just an event, it's a relationship between three events. We grab it using pointer down, we move it using pointer move, and we drop it using pointer up. First, we need a variable to remember if we are holding the bunny. Let's take a new variable called let me name it as is dragging. This will be the boolean variable, so I'm initializing it with false. So now on pointer down, let let me set it to true, and on pointer up, let me set it to false again. So now we have taken is dragging, but we are not using it. So now this is the trickiest part. Moving. We need to listen the pointer move event, but we don't listen to the bunny's move. We listen to the event itself. So please focus here. Pointer move event. Here we will get a variable. Now let's calculate the new position. Event dot data dot get local position. Local position of bunny's parent. So here we'll check if is dragging, means if the pointer down on the bunny. Now let's give bunny new position, and same for the y. Pay attention to this line, event dot data dot get local position of bunny dot parent. Do not use event dot global. If your container is rotated or scaled, global coordinates will break. Get local position does the hard math for you and finds the perfect spot inside the container. Now let's save it and try. Look at that smooth 60 fps tracking. And because we use pointer events, you can push this to your phone right now and it will work with your fingers instantly. Now to recap, use event mode equals to static to turn on interactivity. Use pointer events, not mouse events, for cross platform support. Use pointer down and pointer up for clicks, and pointer over and pointer out for hovers. Use get local position when dragging to handle coordinates correctly. You now have a playable game, but there is no score. In the next video, we are going to learn how to add text and UI so we can actually tell the player if they are winning. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Happy coding. Thank you.